So here we are, north of 152 and Berry Road, where North Heartland Church is. Sitting in the corner of the parking lot, where the new walking trail is coming in. And we've got this pile here. Hope it doesn't rain. It's all going to end up right inside of the culvert here for the City of Kansas City, Missouri sewer system, which is going to lead down into that. There's a couple new piles of dirt. A lot of brush and dirt, as you can see there. All of that dirt and brush and trash. There's the new walking trail. There's 152 in the background. 152. Now we're starting to look south and now west. Lead right into this culvert over here. And right into Coves North Lake, which is where all the silt has been coming from already from this side, on the other side of the road. And right into Line Creek Tributary. So all of this looks like they attempted to block this storm sewer, but all of this trash, all of that gravel, will wash right into the lake. I certainly hope we don't have a gully washer before